Hello friends, today we are discussing about the access modifier in Java programming language. The access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility or um, scope of field, method, constructor, or classes. We can change the access level of field, method, constructor, or classes. There are different types of access modifier. First one is a access modifier and second one is a non-access modifier. Access modifier having four types. First one is public, second one is a private access modifier, third one is a default access modifier, and fourth one is a uh, public, private, default, and protective access modifier. Let's see one by one. First one is a private. The access level of a private access modifier is only within a class. We cannot access from outside the class. Um, the private words indicates it is a used within a class. We cannot access it outside the class or outside the package. Second one is a default access modifier. The access level of a default access modifier is only within a package. We cannot access we cannot access default modifier outside the package. If we do not specify any access level, it will be the default. It provides more accessibility than private access uh, modifier, but it is restricted than protect and public. Protect and public. Second one is a protected access modifier. In a protected access modifier, the access level of a protected access modifier is within a package and the outside the package through the child class. If we do not make a child class, then we cannot access the protected access modifier within the package. It cannot apply on a class, only applied on a data members and method functions. Last one is a public. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within a class, outside the class, within a package, outside the package. It has a widest scope among the other modifiers. Among the other modifiers, let's see. The class cannot be provided or protected except nested class. There are different types of non access modifier. First one is a static, second one is a volatile, third one is a transient, fourth one is a synchronized, fifth one is a native class. Thank you.